Okay, heto na guys, ang inyong gustong makapanayam. Let's meet Ginoong Baclaran. Please, introduce yourself.
Hi, mabuhay everyone. My name is Ichiro Lorenta. I am representing the Barangay Baclaran for Ginoong Parañaque 2026.
Okay, so ano ang payo mo sa kabataang gustong sumali sa pageant?
My advice to the younger youths who is eager to join the national pageant or local pageants is that be at your 100% confidence. Always do your best and of course, priority your study.
Okay, ano ang isang bagay na tungkol sa iyo na hindi pa alam ng marami?
Well, this is my first time in joining this kind of big pageant. So, I am getting ready myself and also I am preparing on what I can offer.
Okay, so please invite them to follow your social media accounts.
Hi, mabuhay everyone. I am inviting you all to please follow my social media account, Ichiro Lorente on Facebook and also Instagram, Ichiro Lorente.
How about the coronation night or the preliminary
yes.
talent competition?
Guys, see you on February 3 at Ayala Malls at 1 p.m. to watch our preliminary, which is the talent, pre-pageant sunduan, and of course, the grand coronation will be held at Okada, Manila, exact at 5 p.m. I am inviting you all to watch and please support us.
Okay, again, good luck, Ginoong
Thank you so much.
Baclaran.